In our project, what we're trying to do is re-examine the role of the architect, moving away from this idea of a master builder from the Fountainhead and into one more of a systems designer, someone who's weaving together different technologies and craftsmanship into a set of rules that the community can design in a decentralized way to create a new structure. So in our case, what we're doing is we're giving people the ability to design their own pieces, their own individual small parts of an architecture structure that then will be composed together into a larger pavilion. So in a way, the community is actually the driver of that design process and has an influential role in what the total form will emerge as. For us, wood is a fundamental part of this pavilion. Wood offers the ability to both integrate high-tech fabrication techniques, so things like CNC machining, laser cutting, but also low-tech craftsmanship techniques, so hand cutting, hand sawing, band saws, and it also allows for the integration of these two through technology. So in other projects we've done, for example, we're able to use things like augmented reality to provide a way that an unskilled craftsperson could use wood in a high-skilled way. And the benefit of wood in this case is that it's so flexible, it's able to adapt to the different design criteria that these pavilions have. And this makes it particularly helpful in our case when we have a mix of experts doing the craftsmanship and the community-driven design process that creates the pieces. In our case, we wanted a decentralized design process. And for us, crypto and specifically NFTs offer a new way to fund this type of project. So in a crypto setting, you're able to empower someone to own a digital aspect of the pavilion they are building. And the cost of that ownership can go directly into fabricating a physical piece of the pavilion. So for us, it's a way that not only is the design process becoming decentralized, but so is the ownership of that pavilion equally becoming decentralized. And what we hope is this is an experimental project. This hasn't been done anywhere else in the world. And what we hope is that this can provide a way to look at and examine whether this type of process, whether crypto and NFTs can lead to a new type of design and funding model for architects.